If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time we drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
The upkeep of good skin depends on our lifestyle and diet. Treating those lightly is why our skin loses its elasticity sooner than it should, making it droop downwards. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes your skin, which is helpful because dry skin is the foundation on which skin goes the wrong way, as it has hardly any elasticity and is dehydrated. A face massage using 1 teaspoon of this oil for 5 minutes daily increases its collagen production and keeps it plump for a lot longer. Honey is a natural moisturizer that tightens pores and calms acne. Just mix 2 to 3 tablespoons with the juice of 1 lemon. The vitamin C in lemon boosts the production of collagen in the skin, fighting dark spots while brightening the skin. Massage it in an upward motion on a freshly washed face and clean it off after 15 minutes. Gently rub an ice cube on your face to tighten your pores after you're done, and do this twice a week. Rich in vitamin E and relatively inexpensive, just massage a few drops of olive oil onto your face and neck for 5 minutes. Don't overdo it though, or you go from a glowing sheen to a face prepped and ready to fry an egg on. Do this twice a week. So make the kitchen your beauty station and write into us on whether or not that ended up being a good idea. Give us a thumbs up and we'll make sure to bring you a lot more home remedies. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.